All right, we are here at the Park Place Lodge in Fernie, BC, and I apologize we've been here today. It's a little bit messy, but I'm gonna just show you. Desk. We also have a nice closet. All right. Table. Oh yeah, balcony. We haven't gone out on the balcony yet. Kind of a cool little, it's like a kitchen-ish area, I guess. So, kitchen, at first I thought it was maybe the sink bathroom, but it wasn't. So yeah, not too bad. We did get a balcony room. It's kind of an upgrade, but not really. Also, it's not really that nice, but it's, you kind of just see the back parking lot. But it is a balcony, and it's freaking freezing right now. It's like 6 degrees, so we're just gonna close the door here. But yeah, really pretty nice. I'm gonna show you the rest of it. It is right in downtown Fernie as well. Not necessarily walking distance to things because it's on a busy road, but it is pretty nice. So if you're in Fernie, I highly recommend this hotel. The Park Place Lodge has been in operation since 1981 in downtown Fernie, British Columbia. It's such a great place to stay in Fernie and includes a pool, fitness room, beer and wine shop, ski lockers, and more. It's also a pet-friendly hotel. Alright. Horrible. Oh, look, you can watch. Fernie is a ski resort town, and it seems that winter is their busy season. It was a really great experience, and next time we're in Fernie, I would absolutely stay again at the Park Place Lodge.